Hey everyone, today we are diving into one of the most viral safety features in your car, airbags, and why they play such a crucial role in keeping you safe. Airbags are one of the most important safety innovations in modern vehicles, and they have saved countless lives since becoming a standard feature in 1990s. But what exactly are airbags and how do they work? Airbags are designed to protect passengers in the event of a crash by cushioning the impact. They deploy in milliseconds, faster than the blink of an eye. This rapid deployment is triggered by sensors that detect a collision. They inflate the airbag to act as a buffer between the passenger and the vehicle and the hard surfaces in between. A real-world example of airbags saving lives happened in 2019. During a severe frontal collision involving a Toyota Corolla, the driver survived with only minor injuries thanks to the timely deployment of the car's airbags, which prevented direct impact with the steering wheel and the dashboard. Airbags don't just protect the driver. Modern vehicles are now equipped with multiple airbags placed throughout the cabin, including side, curtain, and knee airbags. In fact, many high-end models now come with up to 10 airbags, ensuring comprehensive protection for all occupants. But airbags aren't just about quantity. Placement and timing are very crucial. In 2015, Volvo introduced the world's first pedestrian airbag, which deploys from the hood of the car in the event of a pedestrian collision, reducing the head and chest injuries for the pedestrian. This technology alone has reduced the severity of pedestrian accidents by nearly 30% in tested models. Airbags are an essential part of a vehicle's passive safety features, but they work best when combined with seatbelts. Seatbelts keep you properly positioned for the airbags to be most effective. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and stay tuned with our channel for the next video. Thank you.